In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App blocking payments. So, if Cash App is blocking your payments, it's likely due to their fraud detection system flagging something as suspicious. And here's how to address it based on common issues and solutions. So, number one is you always want to verify your account. Unverified accounts have strict limits, like $1,000 sending, $1,500 receiving in 30 days. So, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and just open up your Cash App settings just like so. Then you need to go ahead and scroll down until personal. Then you want to go ahead and select on personal just like so, and you want to make sure that you enter your full name, date of birth, and social security number, and you will also need to upload a government issued ID. Verification can take up to 48 hours and reduces security blocks. Also, you always want to check the payment details in general, so you want to ensure the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email is correct. Incorrect details can trigger a block to prevent sending money to the wrong person. Save the recipient's contact info and try a small test payment first. Next up, you always want to confirm sufficient funds. So verify that you have enough money in your Cash App balance or linked bank account. An expired or invalid debit/credit card can also cause issues. So please update your card details in the application if needed. So let's say, for example, I was trying to go ahead and send $10. That would not work because my cash balance is under $10, so I just wouldn't be able to do so, which is a little bit unfortunate. Also, you want to ensure that you do have stable internet, so a weak connection can interrupt transactions, so you always want to switch to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data and try again. Now, you want to go ahead and check for any suspicious activity in your account. So Cash App may block payments if it detects unusual behavior, like sending large sums to new recipients or frequent transactions. So you want to avoid doing rapid, large, or unusual transfers and only send money to trusted recipients. So if your account does get flagged, you may need to wait a few hours or a day before retrying. But if you did everything I'm said in this video and you're still running into issues, then what you always want to do is you want to go ahead and contact the Cash App customer support. So go to the top right and select on the profile picture icon. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see support. Then you want to go ahead and select your issue at the moment. So yeah, you can go ahead and select on your issue if you want to read like an article. But if you want to talk to someone directly, then scroll down until you see contact us. Then it is going to say chat, which is available 24/7. And basically you want to go ahead and explain your situation, explain to them that your payment wasn't able to go through, and they will attempt to help you as best as possible. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.